I'm Charmian and I'm the feed mill manager at Pure Foods Eggs at their feed mill. And at the feed mill we make the feed that goes to the farm from rearing right through to the laying birds. A day for me is organising, I get orders for feed for our farm and scheduling those orders into production. To do that, I need to make sure that we have all the raw materials we need, and that I also need to schedule the outloading of the product that we make. Use of the computer is a big part of my day, and I use the computer for logistics, for stock management. We also have a computerised batching system, and we use systems for analysing raw materials. The diets that we use are formulated by a nutritionist, and that's an external role. Nutritionists have a science background, and that's so important to enable them to prepare the diets for us so that the birds get exactly what they need for the stage that they're at. I've worked at this feed mill for around 25 years, and I started out just a couple of hours a week at the front desk. I now manage the feed mill. One of the things that I think got me to being where I am today, never saying no to an opportunity, always being open to new opportunities and new ways of learning and new ways of doing things. The egg industry has many different career pathways. Feed mill, the farm, the grading floor, so many different opportunities. The type of people we're looking for are people that have a willingness to learn and a can-do attitude.